This is the Sony PS-FL5 fully automatic turntable. Very heavy, weighs 24 pounds. Has a glass top with some 30, 25 minute, 20 minute, 15 minute marks on it. Unit powers on. Opens up perfectly. And a neat feature of this is if there is not a record on the platter, it has a sensor. It will not lower the arm down to touch the platter. There has to be a record on the platter. But we can unlock it, bring it back in, and hit start, and watch it go into action. And hooked it up to my TV speakers, and the sound's real low. Needs a preamp, of course, but anyway, we've got 33 and 45 RPM. Even have a repeat function. And if you want to stop the record, we hit stop. Brings it up. Slings it back over to the side. And we're done. And flip the record over or change it out. Really cool turntable. Hope you like it.